Today we're going to thread the sewing machine. We need the spool of thread. If you have a spool of thread that has a little end on it like this, and you place it back on, there's a little ridge in there, make sure to put that side on first, and then cover with your spool pin cover. You need to have that to this end so that the thread doesn't get caught in there. Now take a little length of thread, hold that thread in place at the spool so that it doesn't go any further, and now you're going to go around this little screw at the back, around the back of it. You're going to come down between, there's a small metal plate and a big metal plate. You need to come down between the two, and then you're going to come up. There's a little spring right here. That spring needs to pull up. It will go down again later, but for now it needs to pull up. And then you're coming up beside this big metal plate again, right next to it, and you're coming around behind to this take-up lever. I'm going to move it for you so you can see it moves, but it needs to be in the up position when you go to thread your machine. It's coming around and it just clicks into place. You'll hear a little click. There's a little hook in there. Then you're going to bring it down, and there's a hook here where the thread just helps. It's the thread guide, and another one right here, and there's one right at the top of the needle here. That's important. Get it in there because that helps control the tension or the flow of the needle a little bit. And then you're just going to thread the needle from the front to the back. And that's a simple thing. It's a tiny hole. You'll need to get it through the front to the back. And that's how you thread a machine.